Hello everybody, good morning. My name is Rhonda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am introducing you a topic. It's related to new condominiums cooling off period. So there are 4 questions I need to answer in this videos. These are the important questions for all the new buyers and investors when you plan to purchase a pre-construction condominium in Toronto. So first of all, what is cooling off period? So when we purchase new condos, we sign a purchase agreement with the developers. We will have, all the buyers will have 10 days cooling off period. This is by law. So all the developers and the builders have to follow this rules in Canada. So what type of the question 1 would be, what type of the properties have cooling off period? So it is not all of the properties, new condos, new detached homes, all the pre-construction properties has cooling off period. The cooling off period is only available for the pre-construction new real estate properties has maintenance fees. So if the property has no maintenance fees, which means the developers, when you sign a purchase agreement for buying this piece of real estate properties, there will be no cooling off period. So that's why most of the condominiums have cooling off period, which is 10 days. And people often think any kind of pre-constructions real estate properties has 10-day cooling off period, which is wrong. So only real estate properties have maintenance fees and the buyer have cooling off period. This is question 1. Question number 2. When the cooling off period started? So the cooling off period is started at the time when buyer officially physically received the purchase agreement, which is already executed by the developer, and the buyer received the condo disclosure, which means that the condo status certificate and the purchase agreement both are accepted by the buyer. At that time, the cooling off period started. So let me give you an example. Some buyers, they purchase the new condos at the sales office, but they don't want to wait until the developer executes. It usually costs the developer to execute the purchase agreement several hours or even longer. So the buyer left the sales office. Then after a couple of days, the buyer still didn't receive the APS and the condo document from the either agent or from the developer. So which means the buyer can cancel this purchasing agreement anytime because the buyer did not receive it officially. So that means when you purchased the new condos, you have to deliver or you have to get your official APS plus the condo document and the condo disclosure from the developer. At that time, your cooling off period started. Question number 3. So how the cooling off period calculated? And I mentioned it's 10 days cooling off period. Is it 10 calendar day or it is 10 business days? So the answer is the cooling off period, 10 days cooling off period, 10 days, it is a 10 calendar days, not 10 business days. Okay, question number 4. Do I need to deliver APS and a condo disclosure at the earliest time? The answer is yes. So often as an agent, we help our buyer and investors to purchase this condominium. When we sign the agreement, when buyer sign agreement with the developer, developers start to execute. Then after developers sign off all the documents plus and the condo disclosure document, which is condo status certificate, the agent have to deliver these 2 documents to buyers in person at the earliest convenience. Not only because of the cooling off period we started from the buyer officially received these documents, but also it shows the sincerely and the efficiencies, and we as an agent cannot be late for delivering these documents to the buyer. So the delivery time for document APS and the status certificate has to be at earliest convenience for the agent and the buyer as well. So in order to avoid any future issues happen. So here is the examples. If the buyer signed agreement and the buyer did not receive the APS or condo disclosure documents from the either developer or from the agent, so they can cancel this without any problems, with no problem, because there's no cooling off period involved. Okay, today's videos I answer 4 questions about a cooling off period. If you have further questions about how to purchase a new condominium, how to purchase a real estate in Toronto area, please give me a call. My contact information is showing below. Also, welcome to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will keep posting more videos on my channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.